It's a great day at All County. Welcome back to our video blog series. I'm your host, Richard Battle, and today we have a special guest, Miss Kathy Thomas. How you doing?
Hi, Richard.
It's such a pleasure to have you today.
Thank you.
Now, Kathy is a licensed realtor, a seasoned property manager, and she has tons of prior experience as a title worker. And so she's going to shed some light and give us some of her vast experiences with today's topic. We're going to put you on the hot seat, but you're a pro. You're going to be able to volley with us nice and easy. So we manage properties throughout the U.S., and we have owners who are all over the country, all over the state, and out of the country as well. And today's topic is regarding the top 5 questions or concerns that an out-of-state or foreign investor would perhaps have when investing into our local market. Are you able to tackle that for us today?
I think I can try.
All right, thank you. Please take that away.
Well, that's a long bevy of concerns an out-of-state or out-of-country owner could have, but you're wanting the top 5, so we'll keep it brief.
Okay.
The first concern is always going to be the money. ROI.
Return on investment.
Return on your investment.
Okay.
Part of our job, or any good property manager's job, is to create that return on the investment for the owner.
Okay.
So obvious expenses right off the bat are going to be their mortgage and their property insurance, but there are always other expenses that may not be so obvious, such as HOA fees.
Yes.
So we want to make sure that we include and prepare an owner right up front for everything, considering in the ROI.
That's good. We want to take account for those things for them. What else?
Right. Long-term property goals, I would say, is something that you want to have that discussion with an owner. Are they going to keep the property as an investment property, or maybe someday retire to Florida and live in it?
Yeah. That happens often here, yes.
Yes, it does. Second item, I would say, is knowledge of the local area. An owner is definitely going to lean on us and expect us to help guide them to the appropriate rental markets, again, leading back to that ROI.
Yeah, so knowing someone who's knowledgeable of the local markets where they should be, you have subsets of markets and not just a general MSA in total.
Certainly.
Okay.
Certainly. The third item, I would say, is understanding the local laws. An out-of-state owner doesn't know Florida landlord-tenant law, nor should they. They're hiring a professional management company, such as All County. They rely on us or any good property management company to know those local laws and to make sure that we mitigate their risk.
Yeah, you got to watch out for those notices and those security claims, huh?
Oh, that's fun, yes. Security claims, yes.
So being able to navigate them through those legal things, or being able to have someone on their side who can help them. What else? That's good.
I would say fourth is qualified tenants, for sure. Making sure that we're placing good tenants who are not only able to pay the rent, but stable. We look at a full background check, of course, not just criminal, but a good overall picture of a tenant and their stability and ability to pay the rent, and also take good care of the home.
That's good, because that's the lifeline of the investment, being able to have income producing. You want to have a great tenant and stability there.
Absolutely.
Great. What else do you have for us?
I would say last and not least is the maintenance cost, not such a fixed item.
Okay.
This is something that owners may not consider, especially a new investor. So we want to make sure that they understand going into being an investor that there are some unknowns. Of course, we do our best to maintain the property and implement preventive maintenance measures to help keep maintenance costs down. But that's another thing that they are always going to want to know right up front. And I don't know that that's only out-of-state owners.
That's any owner.
That's any owner.
Yeah. And also have to be careful for like markups on maintenance and what have you.
That's a
so
good
what's
point.
The overall cost? Are there any things that are being passed along, or are there savings being passed along?
Yes.
So that goes back to your first point, the return on investment.
It all comes back to the return on the investment.
The bottom line is the bottom line.
Yes.
Kathy, you're amazing. Thanks for bringing us these 5 tips. I know you can delve a whole lot more, but that's it for today's topics. We hope you're taking good notes, and we hope to see you next time. Until then, continue to make it a great day.